fair trial. I mean the quickest or a quick trial of this matter. My Lord, we started disclosing this matter right from January. My Lord, what was remaining were basically about 5 statements. Witnesses whom we thought were at risk intimidation, harassment, and compromise, among others. It is on that basis that we filed a an application, sorry, my Lord, an application for protection. My Lord, the deponent in that application, the land State Attorney Joseph Chomuhendo, was cross-examined for 2 days, if not 3, almost. Because prosecution, my Lord, was interested in a quick and speedy trial, not disputing fair trial, decided to withdraw that application. Much as protection of witnesses is part of the fair trial. To compromise the protection of our witnesses for the sake of having this matter heard. After withdrawing our application, we fully disclosed the remaining 5 witnesses. The statements for those remaining 5 witnesses. Defense We intimated to them or to this court, my lord, that we are ready to have the matter start. The defense brought another issue that we had to agree to some issues or facts which prosecution never had. They were raising them, but they were not specific to those issues. And because of that, my lord, this court made an order that prosecution brings or presents its witnesses. We brought our witnesses, my lord. We brought two of them that time. Though for their statutory reasons, they were not in this honorable court. But some were very close to reach of this court. The applicants spoke their accused persons filed an application for human rights enforcement. Against Hose Kenyatta and three others. My lord, on the 11th of June, this court issued about schedules. Gave directives on schedules that application. And my lord, the main case was began to the same date of the hearing of that application on the 30th of June, 2026. My lord, on the 30th of June, 2026, court fixed their applications for A1 and A2. That is application number 213 of 2026, and also that's application number 0698 of 2025 for A3. My Lord, the reason why these applications were fixed is because counsel for the applicant stroke accused persons requested court previously to have the same disposed of. The demand was to dispose of the said bail applications, human rights enforcement application, and then they also asked for facilities to be availed both at court and in prison. That is the reason why, my Lord, the two bail applications were fixed. And also, in order to address the issue of facilities, this court accused persons brought to court prisons. I'll come to that later, my Lord. Let me first finish up with the issue of their application. My Lord, on the 30th, court issued directives that the respondent files their reply by 1st of July 2026. And that the applicants make their on the 2nd day of July 2026, if any. And then it was fixed today for hearing at 2 p.m. My Lord, just to remind this court, the accused persons, is that on the 30th day of June 2026, counsel for the applicant stroke accused persons, led by counsel Tugumi, informed the court that they were ready to receive directive or directives on all schedules. That's why this application was fixed today, or the two applications were fixed today. My Lord, application that is 213 okay, was not solely filed by Council Martha Karua, Council Department. I think it was filed by so many. It was a joint application, if I remember very well. Okay, Council the farm for Senior Council was part, but there were other farms which worked very hard to file this application. Council Tugume on the 30th of June 2026. Let me just make it clear. Neither counsel for the applicant nor